Okay, good morning students. Today we discuss in chemistry chapter number 3rd, that is metal and non-metal. Metal, where elements are classified into metal and non-metal. Metal means unpaired electron. Particular atom or element, if having unpaired electron, then that atom or element is known as metal. Most of these electrons are removed and that particular metal is converted into positive ion. Its charge may be +1, +2 or +3. Onwards, it may be also having charge +4. So metal in the orbital having extra electrons, so it is removed and converted into positive charge, okay, by losing electron. Some examples of metals are copper, zinc, aluminium, okay, lead, etc. First we discussed about the properties. One by one we discussed the properties of metal. First property is malleability. If heat is applied, then this metal having the property of malleability means what? It can be given shape, okay, it can be by applying pressure, its shape can be changed, that is known as malleability. If it is non-metal, then we apply the pressure, it will break. So difference between metal and non-metal. Metal having malleability, it is converted into different shape. As for example, gold and silver, they are most malleable and convert into ornaments. Second property is ductile. Ductile means by hammering the particular metal, it is converted into wire. That wire has a property that if it is hammered, then it will not break. Okay, tensile strength is more, that is known as ductile. Third property is hardness. Metal are hard and non-metal are soft. The bond between two metals is very strong, so it has a property of hardness. So if we by applying more force, it can be break. So that is hardness. Next, metal having lustre. Lustre means shining. This shining of the metal is because of there are unpaired electron in the outermost orbit of the atom, that is known as orbital. In that electron are extra or unpaired, then light fall on it, then vibrational and rotational energy of that electron is increases. Again when it come back to its lower energy, then it emits radiation. That is the reason why it emits radiation in visible region. That's why it's form lustre or shining. Next, electric conductivity. Metal are good conductor of electricity. Electricity means what? This electron can transfer from one atom to another atom and conduct electricity. Why? Because unpaired electron. In metal, the electrons are far away from the nucleus, having unpaired electrons, so these metal jump from one orbital to another orbital of second atom, and in this way electricity is passed. Main reason is unpaired electron. Electric conductivity. Okay. Next, good conductor of heat. Heat is conduct from one atom to other atom through vibration. So vibrational, if going on of this outermost orbit, then heat is produced. This vibration is transformed to the nearby atom electron. So in this way, and these electrons are very compact, so heat transfer from one atom to another atom. So that is, they are good conductor of heat as well as electricity. Next is melting point and boiling point. There is strong attraction between atom and atom in metal, so its melting point and boiling points are very high. It is very difficult to break this bond. Intermolecular attractive force is high, so it is very difficult to break this bond. That's why it is more energy required to convert solid to liquid and liquid to gaseous form in metal. Another last property, that is sonority. Sonority means when metal is heated with other instrument or other hammer, then it produces sound. So metal has a property of sonority. At particular room temperature, if metal is hit with other substance, then vibrational take place in the metal. This vibrational produce the sound. So that is known as sonority. So these are the properties of metal. Okay, these are the physical properties of the metal. In next lecture we will discuss about the chemical property of the metal. Again, which are the main physical property of metal? I derived. First one is the malleability, convert into shape. Ductility, it can be hammer and convert into wire. Next is hardness, bond is strong, that's why it is metal is hard. Another is lustre, means shining, because of unpaired electron. Electric conductivity, because of unpaired electron. Electron jump from one atom to another atom. Good conductor of heat, due to vibration heat transfer from one atom to another. Melting point and boiling points are very important. This is because of metallic bond. Metallic bond between the atom is very strong. Intermolecular bond is very strong. That's why melting point, boiling point is high. Another is sonority, okay, or sonority or sound. Okay, electric sound and this metallic sound is because of vibrational of electron. Okay, so these are the 8 properties. To try to go through this video and write these all 8 property in your notebook. Okay, thank you.